So why is evaluation such an important piece of the work that we do at the Office of Child Development? Evaluation is critical for understanding services, for understanding impact and outcomes, and also for understanding opportunities for program improvement. A lot of people ask, why do we focus so much of our work on evaluation? And really, evaluation is absolutely critical for understanding service needs, for understanding impact and outcomes, and for identifying opportunities for improvement. Funders often require evaluation to their recipients. Program providers are very interested in evaluation to understand the needs of the populations that they work with, for understanding the direction that they're moving in their programming and services, and for understanding the outcomes, the impact of what they do, and of course for identifying where they can improve, how they can improve their services. And then of course the general public is very interested in evaluation and can use evaluation results to advocate for best practices and the best use of funding to really support the needs of children and families. We have two main objectives to the work that we do. The first is to help our partners improve their programming, and we do this in many different ways. We help them at the very beginning of their programming planning, conducting needs assessments to help them identify what those needs are within the populations that they are serving. We help them develop something called a logic model, which helps them plan using those identified needs and understanding what the desired final outcomes are. How can they get from the current state to those final outcomes? We help them develop a data monitoring plan so that we can assess, starting with collecting baseline data, where the people who work with them are prior to programming, and then throughout the program, so they can be monitoring the quality of their programming as they're engaging their participants, and then looking at final outcomes, comparing them to baseline or comparing them to those populations who aren't participating in their programming, to really understand what the impact of their programs are, or their intervention is on their desired outcomes and the people that they're working with. Our focus is almost entirely on programs serving children and families. That's one of our objectives, which is really to help our partners develop and maintain and understand their programming so that it can be as effective as possible. Our second objective is to conduct applied research so that we can contribute to the research literature in terms of what those best practices are for supporting children and families. One thing that we really enjoy doing, and that's really important in the work that we do, is after we have the results of an evaluation project, working with our partners to understand the analysis, understand those results, and how to interpret it in such a way that it can then impact the continuation of their programming and impact their quality improvement of their services. We have a great team in our Division of Applied Research and Evaluation with experts in so many different areas, ranging from education, early childhood assessments, child development, business, communication, all of those different aspects of knowledge, those areas of expertise go into our evaluation work. So at the end of the day, we're really driven by making sense of data, using data to impact programming, and to really support our partners so that they can do the best work that they are doing to support the lives of children and families.